Hi, I'm Carol Suzuki. I run a very small digital marketing agency in South Dakota, where most of my clients are local service providers that have anywhere from 3 to 10 employees, like I would say maximum. And I gotta say, I've paid a lot of money to study SEO over the last 3 years and have attended some of the I would say larger mastermind communities. And while I learned a lot, um, and I'm very thankful for that, and I'm really thankful for the people I've met, I can say that in 3 weeks after meeting Casey Keith and starting to use the methodology that Casey's showing you for free with like real Google documentation, Casey's also shared some reading resources because what was happening for me is I'm seeing these, big names talk about things that I didn't understand and talk about, entities and going to the wiki and how like that's kind of a part of their strategy, but they're still doing like drive stacks and cloud stacks and pumping out so much content that like myself, I have only two VAs and most of my clients pay me $500 a month. So I don't have the manpower or the budget to compete with that. And so one of my national clients, we were starting to lose rank, right? But then again, I think I've spent maybe 48 hours hanging out with Casey in, I think it's the SEO training. Um, it's a Facebook group, right? But going into the Google Meet. Um, I've been able to claw that back, and I could tell like that top competitor that was really starting to like pull out in front of us, they had a lot more budget. I could see a lot more backlinks and content going up on their web pages. So I can tell that they were probably paying, 5 to 10 grand to somebody to boost their rankings and their traffic. It was really obvious. So for me to be able to go in, do some on page, adjust my schema, and just use what Casey had taught me, I'm starting to claw back those rankings, and now we're pretty much neck and neck with that top competitor that is buying thousands of backlinks. I have not bought any backlinks for this client. I have not built any cloud stacks for this client, and we're still seeing results. So, um, I would say by far and hands down of all the people that I have been learning from and been mentored by in the last year, Casey has really opened my eyes and also helped me to create results, not just for one client in one niche, but there's a handful of other clients in various different niches that I'm having the same results because of learning how to structure my on page, right? And my linking the entities, right? Values and attributes appropriately across my website structure. So Casey, I just wanted to give you this shout out, and it's been invaluable. And I can't recommend you enough. And I really want to turn that hashtag, I learned it from Casey Keith, into a real thing. So thank you so much.